Hi guys, Frankie Tech here. I just wanted to share with you guys my first hands-on of this MacBook Air M1 here on the channel. Obviously this is on Twitter, I'm not doing this officially, but there you see it guys. There it is, the MacBook Air M1 2020, and it is looking stunning. I mean, in terms of design, there's not much of a difference here, but I just want to show you guys how quickly this thing runs. I mean, gonna go ahead and open up. Did you see that? You saw that, how quickly that was. Let's go to theverge.com. There we go. Here we go, there's the Apple MacBook Air with M1 review. You see how quickly this loads? This loads incredibly fast. I mean, I'm kind of speechless. I don't know what I'm dealing with here, guys. This is easily one of the fastest kind of experiences on any computer. And you know, here's the thing, I have a Core i9 iMac, you know, maxed out basically, 40 gigs of RAM, and this feels zippier than even that computer. I mean, I don't know what it is. I don't know how Apple did it. And obviously, just to show you guys once again what version this is, go to About Mac, and yes, it's in Chinese, guys. I tried to change the language here, but there you see it, M1 2020. And there's the 8 gigs of RAM version, so there is a 16 gig version that you can get as well, which should be a little bit, I guess, more RAM for you. But you know, the architecture of these devices is completely different than what you would expect. And I mean, it's in a MacBook Air, guys. It hasn't changed at all in terms of looks. And yes, you know, the bezels are still a little bit large. Yes, you know, you have, at least you now have the kind of scissor switch keyboard, no longer the butterfly keyboard on this device. But I think the most exciting thing about this device is really just the speed at which it opens applications. Let's just open a bunch of stuff and let's see if it hangs in there while we do it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is insane. How many things can it open? I mean, look at that. That's just, and that was all done instantaneously. This thing is fast, guys. It's blazing fast. And do let me know if you'd like to see this type of review of a MacBook Air M1 or a Mac Mini M1 on the channel. I mean, do you see it's real time over there? Do you guys see that? You're seeing that, right? It's real time here in the kind of launcher. Anyways, that's it for this one, guys. And stay tuned for more great content here. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts? You know, I know a lot of you guys are Android fans out there, but what are your thoughts on this big jump in performance on the new M1 MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and Mac Mini? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. I'm stunned, guys. It really is stunning how quickly, how responsive this is. And that's it for this one, guys. If you liked it, stay tuned for more great content here on Frankie Tech. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.